Hi everyone, it's Becky at Homeschooling in the Burbs, and today I'm going to show you how to use Rakuten Viki to study Mandarin Chinese. In case you haven't heard of Rakuten Viki, it is a streaming service that offers East Asian dramas and movies, and the subtitles are provided by volunteers in the Viki community. So the streaming service is either free with ads or you can pay a small amount. It's a lot cheaper than a lot of other streaming services, and they offer a lot of excellent content. So what I'm going to show you first is we start down here where there are a bunch of subtitling options. In some of the shows, you will have an option to choose learn mode. So I'm going to toggle it. And you're probably wondering, what is learn mode? Well, I'll show you. Learn mode is an innovative feature to facilitate language learning. It's available in Korean, Chinese, Japanese, Taiwanese titles that have at least 50% subtitles in the original language. So let's see how learn mode works. Well, first I'll push play. Okay, so here I just clicked on the characters like so, and it paused the video. I can click on the speaker icon and it will tell you what each of these characters means as well as a definition. Now, if I were to, I can continue playing. Okay, I can also pause it, and then I'm going to click this character. Neat. I can repeat it afterwards, but it helps me to hear how to say it. And it tells you it means you. I can do this throughout the entire drama and figure out what it means. However, I would recommend knowing at least a little bit of Mandarin Chinese prior to using this feature. That way, you can actually enjoy the drama. So let's say that you decide you just want to relax a bit and you don't want to focus on explicit learning of Chinese. You can go back to just learning casually, and you can untoggle the learn mode and it'll show the subtitles. And here you go. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed learning about how to use Rakuten Viki to help facilitate your learning of Chinese. Enjoy, and I hope to catch you on there. Talk to you later. Bye.